Another technique that is being employed by the gastroenterologist is something called as colostomy or an enterostomy. What is an ostomy? It is an artificial opening into the particular organ. Now, imagine the physician is making an opening into the duodenum. It becomes a duodenostomy or a jejunostomy or a ileostomy, or in general we call that as an enterostomy. Same way, the physician here makes an opening into the colon, which is a colostomy. Imagine a patient has sigmoid diverticulitis. In that case, what the physician is planning to do is removal of the sigmoid colon. Now, after removal of the sigmoid colon, what is left is only the rectum which is being left. Here, what the physician is going to do, he is going to close the rectal pouch. This is called as a Hartman pouch, or he is going to create a pouch which is called as a Hartman pouch, and then the remnants or the contents of this colon come out via opening called as a colostomy. So this is called as a Hartman procedure, where a blind rectal pouch is created and then a colostomy is created. So this is called as colectomy with colostomy. Normally, whenever physician does a colectomy, here colectomy means a partial or complete removal of colon. You will have to arrive at the codes based on the extent of removal of the colon, whether it is a part of it or whether it is subtotal or is it a total colectomy. Along with this, you should also know whether the physician is removing the rectum, meaning proctectomy. You need to know if proctectomy is also being done. You need to know whether it is a partial or a complete.